The sexual assault case of Western Cape Traffic Chief Farrell Payne is scheduled to start this morning. It was supposed to begin in March but was postponed as the judge was sick. Payne is facing charges of attempted rape and sexual assault. Let's go to eNCA's Monique Mortlock, who's watching the case for us. Monique, I see quite a number of people outside there. I assume they're calling for justice in terms of this case. What are they telling you?
Yes, I'm going to ask my colleague Asanda Javu just to show you the scenes behind us here. We are outside the Cape Town Regional Court where members and supporters of Nahau are protesting. They are here in support of the complainant in this matter against Western Cape Traffic Chief Farrell Payne. The complainant, of course, we can't mention her name. She will remain anonymous just for her safety. But to tell us a bit more about why they are here, I'm speaking to Nahau's Acting Regional Secretary, Themba Kubula. Sir, tell me why the decision to be here today?
Thank you. Look, as Nahau, we are opposed to any form of abuse, gender-based violence, sexual harassment, emotional, psychological. So we've got a zero tolerance against those things. So today we are here to pledge our support and solidarity to one of our members who has been sexually assaulted by a very senior official in the Western Cape government, in the traffic department. An official, we believe as Nahau, should have long been suspended when these claims against him surfaced. However, we are concerned that the Western Cape government has not taken any drastic actions against this particular individual. And we believe that the Western Cape government is having double standards, because had it been an ordinary worker that has been accused of such a serious offense, that worker would have been dismissed already, would have been suspended and been dismissed. So we are saying to the Western Cape government, here is a poor woman crying out that he has been sexually assaulted by a very senior official. So do what is right and suspend that official pending the outcome of the investigation. It's only it's a only logical and rational thing to do.
And sir, just quickly tell me, have you been able to speak to the complainants, to the complainant herself, to her family? I saw her heading into court a little earlier. Just tell me about her mental state. How is she doing?
Look, our member, we spoke with her. We are in constant communication with her. We had a meeting with her last week. Even today we spoke to her. She's not doing well, psychologically, mentally, and her health in general. She's actually now on incapacity leave, which is a very grave concern for us as the union, because the employer has not offered any psychosocial assistance to her. She is having to carry this burden alone. But she's not alone because she's got the union. But from the side of the employer has not done that which the employer is expected to do in matters of this nature. And we are saying it's really unfortunate, because the effects of this issue do not only affect her, they affect other workers in the very same department. Because if one of your colleagues has suffered a sexual harassment and your employer is not doing anything about it, it simply says to you as a worker, you are on your own. So other workers that work with her, they've raised the same concern to say they don't feel safe anymore, and they're worried that the employer is treating this thing with a laissez-faire approach. They are not taking it, they are nonchalant about it, they are not taking it serious. So we are saying as Nahau, the Western Cape government must start practicing what it preaches. They must follow the due diligence, put this senior official on precautionary suspension pending the outcome of this matter.
Thank you very much, sir. That was Themba Gugula, the Acting Regional Secretary of Nahau here in the Western Cape, sharing his insights and saying that they are standing in solidarity with the complainant in this case. And we know that the matter hasn't yet started, but I believe it's about to start soon, so we will head into court. And because it's a matter of such a sensitive nature, we know we've already heard that the prosecution and the defense may say no to us filming proceedings because of the sensitivity of the case and of the allegations. But we will be keeping abreast of any developments taking place in today's trial, which is expected to run not only today but also into tomorrow.
Thank you very much, Monique Mortlock, with that report. Let's leave it there for now.